How to add items to Amazon wishlist, or how to add items to your wishlist on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create and add items to your wishlist on Amazon. Now the process is quite simple. I'll be showing you here on the browser. You can do so on the application as well. Now here you want to open up your device, and then you want to head into amazon.com. Now once here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in, so what you want to do is once you're logged in, you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner. You can see a little profile icon beside the card icon at the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and once here you can see, if you scroll down below under your account, you'll find the option list. Simply tap on list option, and here you can see at the top right, you can see below the search icon, you'll find the create list option, and down below you'll find the shopping list. Now in my case, I already have shopping list, so I'll just head back. But if you want to create one, you can simply tap on that create list option, and you'll be prompted to create a list. Now however, if you want to add the item to your list, once you have created it, you want to simply open up the item. You want to tap and open up the item that you want to add to your list. If you scroll down below, you'll find the option add to cart, and below it you can see a little there written add to list option there above the size guide option. If you simply tap on add to list option, you'll be able to add to a list. You can simply choose your list there, and you'll be able to add it. You can see it's added. So this way you can add items to your wish list on Amazon. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.